Well, summertime in Texas sure burns by meaning slow. The triple-digit temperatures for 3 months in a row are enough to make a man like me fall into a depression. When the mercury stays stubborn, there's a few things I start missing. I need a bird dog, I need a fly rod, I wanna see a bob white on the wing or stand waist deep in a mountain stream. I need a campfire, and I need a big sky. I wanna see the sunrise melting the frost off of the pines. I got nothing against your jet skis, bass boats, or inner tubes. I'll never judge a man for spending his time the way he wants to. But when it comes to recreation, some folks just ain't creative. And when the autumn leaves start falling, you won't find me relaxing. I need a bird dog, I need a fly rod. I wanna see a pointer with his nose to the ground. I wanna set the hook on a big old brown. I need a campfire, I need a full blast. I wanna see the morning dew like gold on the prairie grass. And there's nothing that sets my soul on fire like the weather turning cold. There's feathers flying in my daydreams and a river running through my soul. I need a bird dog, I need a fly ride. I wanna shoot a limit by 10 a.m. and catch a couple dozen before I go in. I need a campfire, and I need my lady by my side, and I wanna wake up in her arms and watch the sunrise.